Welcome everyone, this is V from V Worldwide. Got another unboxing video for you guys. So today we have the Skullcandy Barricade Mini. So in here, 6 hours battery life, IP ×5 water resistant. Let's see here. Been looking for it's like a portable speaker for my Galaxy Note 9 that I got recently. So, something you can carry around with you. So here, full spectrum audio, impact resistant, track volume control, durable attachment loop, auxiliary input. So, right there. So let's bust it open. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. All set for unboxing here. Got a little never seen that before. It's nice. Little unboxing zipper. There. Slide out box. See what we got in here. Set that to the side. Like we got some quick start guide here. Right, over there. What else we got? Look, a little USB. This look like a micro mini USB. Moved up to the Type C. Yeah. What else we got in here? And the speaker. See how it looks. Here's what we got there. Little clip. Oh, okay. There's your little charge station here for USB. Looks like you can put some microphone there, or headset in there if you need to, and this whatever auxiliary you want to route that to. Let's see here. Off on button, volume control, up down, of course. Look there. Little Skullcandy logo. You'll be pairing for Bluetooth. Little loop, put on your bag or whatever you need to do when you're taking it out. See what else we got here. It kind of sits like that. Got the little feet there for rubberized when you sit it down. So I'm gonna be testing this out and I'll give my review on it later. But there it is. This is the Skullcandy Barricade Mini Bluetooth speaker by Skullcandy. So, like I said, I'll go ahead and try this out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Please like, comment, subscribe. This is V, and I am out. Hey, real quick, guys. I think I forgot to mention this is water resistant also on the speaker there. IP ×5 water resistant. So then you go up to 6 hours of battery life on this. So there you go. I will see you guys later. Again, I will do a review on this. I'll be getting my phone hooked up to it and seeing how the sound is, and I'll go ahead and let you guys know how it is. So, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.